This is an era of information connectivity, an era of rapid scientific and technological innovation, and an era in which the Chinese nation will rise again and lead the world. 3D printing additive manufacturing technology is a high-end equipment, industry technology that carries the changes of the times, promotes industrial transformation and upgrading, and realizes intelligent manufacturing. With the rapid upgrading of additive manufacturing technology, it will definitely set off the industrial revolution in the new era of mankind, create an extraordinary development for all mankind, and achieve a better future. Extreme wisdom creates light to build the future. Shenzhen Aurora Technology Co. Ltd. was founded in 2009. Located in China's new era of international technology innovation city, Shenzhen. The company covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters, which is China's first 3D printer research and development and manufacturing enterprises. JGMaker is a scientific and technological production enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales, and service, and is committed to building a 3D digital ecosystem in China. Its business fields cover desktop 3D printers, industrial optical curing 3D printers, industrial metal 3D printers, 3D printing consumables, and 3D printing integrated services and other diversified 3D printing digital service systems. It is one of the most influential innovative high-tech enterprises in China's 3D printing industry. Faster, more accurate, better. JGMaker adhere to the core concept of additive manufacturing technology development in order to meet the development and manufacturing needs of all walks of life, to provide faster printing, higher precision, better output of high-end equipment products. After 13 years of technology precipitation, JGMaker has the leading research and development strengths in the industry, and has developed the continuous liquid level molding technology, large area LCD pull-out platform technology, FDM multi-nozzle dual material and high temperature and high-speed printing technology, slow laser variable spot technology, SLM2V powder efficiency enhancement technology, and other cutting-edge technologies to meet the needs of individual users to the full range of industrial production. From its establishment in 2009 to its successful listing on the New Zealand board in 2017, JGMaker has been growing steadily with its technological excellence and innovation, and is stepping into a new era. JGMaker is one of the first batch of China's additive manufacturing equipment suppliers that passed the National High-Tech Enterprise Certification and Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise Certification. The equipment has been exported to more than 100 countries and regions at home and abroad. And the service customers cover the domestic and foreign education, scientific research, automobile, electronic information, aviation, aerospace, navigation, and other high-tech fields. It has established long-term cooperative relations with more than 500 universities such as Tsinghua University, Peking University, and Harbin Institute of Technology. Its key customers include large high-tech enterprises such as Huawei, Foxconn, BYD, and Grey, as well as enterprises and research institutes related to military, aerospace, and aviation fields. JGMaker attaches great importance to the improvement of independent innovation ability. Currently, it has 42 invention patents, 35 design patents, 26 utility model patents, and 40 software copyrights. JGMaker gathers the elite talents in the field of 3D printing, introduces the world's top production equipment, focuses on innovation and research and development, achieves cutting-edge technology, and casts international competitiveness and global influence. JGMaker has set up offices and branches in Beijing, Shanghai, Xi'an, Changsha, Nanchang, Chengdu, Hong Kong, the United States, Europe, and other places. We will continue to innovate in the field of industrial 3D printing equipment, develop faster, more accurate, and better high-end intelligent equipment, and help the rapid development of the global industrial industry. At present, it has reached industry university research cooperation with Nanchang Hong University and follows the volunteer of Nanchang Hong University to promote the upgrading and manufacturing of the national aerospace and military industries, so as to realize the lofty goal of serving the country by industry and becoming a powerful country in science and technology.